Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee Michelle with Top Notch Designs, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to replace a slider on a tooth zipper that the teeth are splitting open. So as you can see on this one, our zipper is split open here and it is kind of bowing right here. Now you can't zip this down and you can't zip it up. You do not want to just yank on this and try and force it down. You will damage the teeth on it and then you'll have to replace the entire zipper. But today I'm going to show you how you can fix this without actually having to replace the whole zipper. But before we get started, we're going to talk about everything that we need for this project. We are going to need some needle nose pliers, the mini ones, some mini wire cutters or nippers, and then this is some more wire cutters, some mini ones. All of these can be purchased at your local store, any store in the hardware department. I purchased these at a local store in the craft department. And then you're going to need your slider, of course, and your top stop. Now, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your jacket, you're going to flip this over, your flap over, and you're going to remove your top stop on both sides. And close your eyes when you do this, because it will shoot out and go flying. Sometimes I can just yank them off and they don't, but most of the time it goes flying. So you're going to go ahead and remove that on both sides. And then you're going to take your zipper and pull the slider right up and off. And as you can see, this one's broke, so we're going to get rid of that. Now we're going to split this zipper open all the way. And then we're going to inspect it to ensure there is no missing teeth and no broken teeth. And on this one, there is no broken teeth or missing teeth. So we're going to take our new slider. We're going to go to the side that has the bottom stop. We're going to slide it on the top, feed it on down. We're going to zip it up to ensure that you can zip it with no problem. You can give it a little tug to make sure it locks. Everything looks good. So now you're going to grab your top stops. And you're going to take these pliers, grab your top stop. You're going to go underneath here and you're just going to put it on there and give it a pinch. Now you're not going to pinch it fully because you want to adjust it on there first before you pinch it fully together. And you're just going to give it a nice good pinch. And that's secure on there. You're going to take your second top stop and you're going to do it the same thing on the other side. You're going to just barely put it on there, make sure it's secure, and you're going to give it a good pinch. And that is secure on there. Now you're going to zip your jacket back up, and there you have it. You're going to flip that tab over, and your jacket has been saved, your zipper has been saved, and you did not have to replace the entire zipper. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you do not have a top stop, you can get a needle and thread and you can whip stitch on the top of this several times until it's thick enough that the slider will not slide over the top. Okay? All right. Well, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to replace a slider on a splitting zipper, on a tooth zipper. Until next time, thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe button. I hope you guys have a top-notch day. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.